Hey there, I'm Jason Logston from Makin, and today we're going to finish up our fan-focused blogging course by giving you some action items. After your last homework, you should have a handful of solutions that you can implement. And now the next step is the most important one of anything we've talked about, and that's to actually implement some of them. Start doing some of these small solutions that are moving you in the direction you want to move. Hit as many problems as you can, getting those solutions out in front of your fans. It's so easy to get hung up on picking the right solution to do. But a benefit of this process is that you have multiple solutions you can work on right now. There's no right one. So pick a few that are quick and easy to do, get them in front of your fans, see what resonates, see what people love, then start creating more and more complex solutions. At some point, you'll see where you can start charging money and lean into those. So start creating, start diversifying your income, and start turning your blog into the business that you deserve. Thanks so much for joining me during this course. Until next time, I'm Jason Logston.